Welcome back, everybody. We are in store for a major snowstorm today throughout the night. As you can see, it already started. It started 2 hours earlier than they predicted. It's supposed to run all night until tomorrow morning. This is going to be a snowstorm like when I camped out in the Walmart tent. If you guys remember that, it's going to be awesome. So I got the micro camper out here. I'm going to hook up the diesel heater. We're going to spend the night out here and see how much snow we get. We're going to have a fire outside in the snowstorm, cook up some hot dogs, and just enjoy this storm. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's going to be freaking awesome. I love waking up to a whole bunch of snow. But first, I'm going to cover this with a moving blanket and a tarp to try to conserve some of the heat that I have in there and try to keep the snow from melting on top. Damn, it's cold outside. Actually, that's in here. It's cold in here. This is one of those rechargeable blower things. You can use this to blow off a little bit of snow off of a vehicle, off of your camper. One of the coolest things I've used it for is to make a fire go even faster. But it can also blow up your sleeping pads. Watch how fast it blows this up. Ready? Done. That was so fast. This is from Wolfbox. I'll leave a link to this down in the description below. Go check them out, and we'll see it in use with the fire later on. So freaking cool. Oh, one of the coolest things about it, it has swappable magazine batteries. You eject the dead battery, and you swap in the new one, and you're ready to go. That's so cool. Swappable magazine batteries. Nice. I did use this to inflate my inflatable tent. I got it up to 2.5 pounds of pressure. It wasn't enough to raise it, but then it only took me 45 seconds to pump it up the rest of the way by hand. Not bad. Wolfbox is the sponsor of today's video. Thanks, Wolfbox. All right, let's get this set up the rest of the way. I think it's been about an hour since the last time you saw me. Let's see if we can see the temperature in here. 68 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's check the Govee thermometer outside. See what the outside temp is. It's snowing like crazy. We've probably have 3 to 4 inches of snow so far. Crazy. It is coming down. Not since the video started, but since it started snowing this morning. It is so much warmer in here with the insulated roof. It's currently 5 degrees Fahrenheit outside. It's negative 15 degrees Celsius right now. I'm going to change it back to freedom units. There's my toesies. Let's flip around and look out this window. It is coming down, guys. This is awesome. Ooh, 71 now. Oh, that's cool. Look at the exhaust hole. That's what she said. And I have my vent open for fresh air. Plus, this is sucking in fresh air, heating it up and giving me oxygen. Man, look at that come down. I love that. Cannot wait to wake up. There's the fire pit getting covered. Sweet. This is going to be a fun night, guys. Let me know how excited you are for this. If you're more excited than me or not, I doubt it, because I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Look at the spray foam. People say this is dangerous for me. You guys think this is dangerous? I mean, this stuff is for houses. How can it be dangerous? I don't know. Well, I'm no scientist. Alright guys, it's currently about 2 p.m. I will probably see you periodically throughout the night and when I'm making hot dogs on the fire and enjoying the snow just flying outside. This is so cool. 69 degrees in here. That's what she said. 5 degrees outside. Where are you going? And storming like heck. See you guys soon. I hope this doesn't become a problem. I don't foresee it being a problem. It's pretty freaking hot. But I mean, the snow's building up around it, kind of. Melting, well, it's melting, I guess. I don't think that's gonna be a problem. I've been out here for about 4 hours, I think. We're sitting at about 4 inches. If your mom asks, that's 8. They said an inch an hour. It's coming down, guys. This is awesome. Quite the storm. Oh, man. School's already closed for tomorrow. Even my office, so I don't have to go into work tomorrow. Yes. I wish there was more snow on top of this thing. But look at the side. I mean, we're almost over the wheels now. Over half the wheels. We are over half the wheels. Almost up to the sides. This is freaking awesome. Oh, wow, look at this one. Oh, sweet. Still riding 69. Oh, yeah. A nice frosty step 2 time. Cheers, guys. We are getting pummeled by snow. Cheers, guys. This is going to be a great storm. I swear we got at least 6 to 7 inches so far. Just after 5 o'clock. Oh, this beer tastes good. Cheers again. Is that a glizzy in your pocket, or are you just happy to see me? It's a glizzy. And I'm happy to see you. That's the beers talking. That's the beers. It's freaking cold. I only need a big enough fire to cook my glizzy. Then I'm getting back in that camper. Before I get soaking wet. The diesel heater is doing a great job, but I don't think it will dry me out before it's bedtime. Ow, bring out one. Ugh. Awfully sparky. Oh no. Totally crushed my hot dog bun. But it is time to cook the glizzy. Clean off the glizzy fork. I cannot believe how much snow is coming down. It's so cold out. It's light and fluffy though. Now let's cook up this glizzy. I'm crushing the bun in my pocket again. Oh, I can see the glizzy juices leaking. Oh. Man, this bun's seen better days. And a little bit of Chick-fil-A sauce to top this glizzy with. Oh yeah. Alright guys, cheers. Glizzy in a snowstorm with Chick-fil-A sauce. One of the best glizzies I've ever had. That's so good. Let's put, ready? Oh, that is so cool. I mean, that's just fun. Anybody remember this little headlamp? It was one of my favorites. I lost it for, God, a year. It was so small. I found it last week. I highly doubt you can buy it anymore, but it's really cool. Comes in like this little charging case. If you can't tell, I'm in the camper. Heater's right here facing me. My pant legs got soaked while I was making that glizzy. And then it just retracts back into itself. It fits any head, and it's just a wire. It is really cool. It's just a really small, really cool headlamp. Oh, see that? It's by the same brand that makes that like 7-in-1 survival tool, Next Tool. There it is, Next Tool. Had no idea. No idea. I wonder if this glows. It does. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Look at the snow on the freaking diesel heater out there. Still riding 69. Of course, I brought my step 2 with me. Oh, we're up to 71 in here. I cranked up the heat in hopes of drying my pant legs. Excuse me. Sorry. Cheers. Oh, that's slush. Ooh, yeah, right there. Really hoping to dry that out. And right there. It's where my boots came up. It just held snow right there and melted and got wet. Waking up with 2 feet of snow is just the coolest thing ever, guys. I love it. I really hope we get like closed in with snow. Just like the Walmart tent. I should have dropped this camper down to the ground, and then we really would have been snowed in, and that would have made a really cool video. But I didn't. I'd say it's been about a half hour since the last time I saw you. My pants are dry. That worked great. Cranked it up. Man, it was like 80 degrees in here. I'm sweating. But it's kind of hard to to take my jacket off so it's staying on. But I am hot. And my pants are dry. I mean, it hasn't been that long since the last time I seen you. Oh, the winner of the hot tent just commented on the video. Hold on, I'll see you guys. So that's cool. Somebody won the hot tent. He had a week to contact me. He contacted me in less than contacted me in 6 hours. Not bad. The weather app says that it's dropped 11 inches of snow on us already. I don't know how true that is, but that's freaking cool. Look at the snow. Fire's covered again. Wow. Oh, the base of the light's disappearing. Awesome. It's freaking coming down, guys. Freaking coming down, bud. I say a good 15, 16 inches so far. It's time for bed. Just came out to refill the heater. It's just about midnight. We have about 15 inches of snow out there so far, I'd say 15, 16 inches. We'll see what happens throughout the night. I'm hoping to wake up to 2 feet. But the snow's, I think the snow's up on the walls already. So that's pretty cool. See you guys in the morning. Good night. Good morning, guys. You can see it is light out now. I've been hitting the snooze until it was light out so I can get the drone out. It ended up stopping snowing, it seems. Once I got in here last night, we probably got another 2 inches. Looks like after I filled up the tank, kind of stopped snowing last night. Might have gotten another 2 inches, maybe. That's just about gonna do it for this one. It's freaking warm in here. It's cold outside. We got about 18 inches of snow, I'd say, total. Maybe 20 inches. It's a lot of snow out here. I wish the roof didn't melt so much, but it all turned into ice. Oh well, I gotta get out of here. Thanks a lot for joining me on this blizzard adventure. See you guys next week.